Welcome to Blockchain Vein, the future of AI, crypto, hacking, coding, and technology. Please like and subscribe. Various government and corporate websites operating smoothly. A diverse group of hackers gathers, plotting a massive cyber attack. Employees at a major corporation discover their screens, showing a threatening message from hackers. A seasoned cybersecurity expert, a high-ranking government official, and a conflicted rogue hacker. Hackers infiltrate a government HR database, stealing confidential employee data. A security team at a major corporation discovers a massive data leak, including sensitive customer information. Delve into the lives of the main characters, revealing personal and professional challenges. The rogue hacker uncovers a more sinister motive behind the attacks. Hackers attempt a massive financial heist, almost succeeding but for a small error. A major city's power grid is compromised, causing chaos and a frantic race to restore power. An intense effort to thwart the final phase of the attack, involving both the cyber team and the rogue hacker. Governments and corporations scramble to respond amidst legal and public reactions. Characters reflect on the vulnerabilities exposed and lessons learned. Hints at ongoing cyber threats, setting up potential for future stories. Voiceover. In the wake of the cyber onslaught that shook the digital world, the global community is left reeling. Governments and corporations are in a mad scramble, patching up their defenses, their vulnerabilities laid bare for all to see. As the dust settles, the public is left grappling with a newfound reality. Their lives, their secrets, their very identities, all susceptible to the whims of faceless hackers. The world once again is reminded of its fragility in the face of the digital age. A chilling reminder that the battle against cyber threats is far from over. Voiceover. Life goes on, but not as we once knew it. People adapt to this new reality, changing their online habits and behaviors. Passwords become more complex, security questions more obscure, private information more guarded. Governments and corporations, once complacent, now implement stringent security measures, their walls higher, their gates stronger. Cybersecurity, once a mere footnote, now headlines every conversation. It's a new world, a world where the invisible walls of cybersecurity stand between us and the lurking shadows of the digital realm. Life goes on, but with a heightened awareness of cybersecurity, we step forward into this new normal. Voiceover. As we navigate our way through this new normal, we look ahead, into the future. A future where cyber threats evolve at a dizzying pace, and defenses must keep pace. A future where artificial intelligence and machine learning become key players in the battle for cybersecurity. It's an ongoing game of cat and mouse, a battle of wits and resources, between hackers and cybersecurity experts. The stakes are high, the battleground ever-changing. This is more than a glimpse into tomorrow. This is a peek into the unending struggle for digital safety and security. Voiceover. As we look to the future, the landscape of cybersecurity continues to evolve. On the horizon, we see the rise of quantum computing. With its power, it promises unprecedented speed and computational capability. But it also presents new challenges, potentially rendering current encryption methods obsolete. In this digital age, the importance of data privacy and protection has never been more apparent. With every byte of data, every click, every online transaction, we leave digital footprints. These can be exploited, making the need for robust cybersecurity measures a priority. In response, we see the relentless development of new cybersecurity technologies and strategies. From machine learning algorithms that detect anomalies in network traffic to encryption technologies that secure our data, the tools at our disposal continue to grow. As we continue to navigate the digital age, the future of cybersecurity remains both a challenge and an opportunity. It's a race against time, a battle of minds played out on the digital front lines. The stakes are high, the challenges many, but with each step forward, we move closer to a safer, more secure digital world. Voiceover. In the end, the battle for cybersecurity is a battle for trust and safety in the digital world. We rely on the digital realm for everything from social interaction to financial transactions, and each of these interactions requires a level of trust. Trust that our data will be protected, trust that our identities will be safeguarded. Cybersecurity is the key to maintaining that trust, and it's a commitment that we all must make, businesses, governments, and individuals alike. As we close this chapter, we look forward to a future where trust and safety in the digital world are a reality for all. It's a journey, and the path may be fraught with challenges. But with every step forward, we move closer to that future, and that, in the end, is what the battle for cybersecurity is all about.